There it is, long hood, teal. Rig secure. Start the lift. Controlled pace.
Hold rotation. Tag lines tight. Keep it square to the cradle. Easy. Down 2 inches. Hold. Set it. Mark it. W9 07. Get the full. Cross the chains. Keep the binder handles locked and clear the deck.
Lead to convoy. Keep 2 car lengths between rigs. Hold the right lane and call out any gap cutters.
Bring it forward 2 feet. Stop on the drain marks. Nylon only here. Metal tools will just chew it up. Now we can see the hinge pins. Next step is penetrant and a controlled break free. Good, now we can inspect what's left. Frame first. If the rails aren't sound, nothing else matters. Label every container. If it's contaminated, it doesn't go near our clean systems. Batteries off and capped. Nothing gets powered until the harness is inspected.
This isn't a quick clean. Internal corrosion everywhere. We document first, then decide what's rebuildable.
Photograph every connector and clamp. If we can't prove where it went, we don't unplug it yet.
If it's safety critical and salt saturated, it goes in the replace column.
No hero parts.
Heat the bolt head, then pull. Don't twist it off. Firewatch stays in place.
Tag it before it leaves the truck. If it's not labeled, it doesn't go on the rack.
Cap every port as soon as it's open. No dirt in the system.
All lines are getting replaced. We keep the routing, not the old tubing. Support it, don't flex the cores. Those fins are already trashed from salt and impact. Bushing's gone completely. Get it on the stand and tag every hinge part. That's delamination all the way through. Bag the debris and pallet the panel. We're rebuilding this section.
Keep it low pressure, warm flush only. We're chasing salt out of the rails, not sandblasting.
Open the folds and seams now. If we don't, the salt stays trapped forever.
Baskets tagged. Same location, same ID, so we can trace every bracket back to its mount.
We dry it first. If moisture stays in the cab, every connector and surface keeps degrading.
Log every reading. We don't close walls until the moisture numbers make sense.
Point by point only. If we can't measure it, we can't trust it. These lines are the cut plan. If it's below spec here, it's coming out clean and square.
Keep the passes even. Clean it to reveal condition, not to carve the steel.
Developer's on, now we read it. If there's a crack, it'll show a clean indication line. We've got a base to save. Hold it square, steady pace. We want a consistent bead, no undercut.
Grind it smooth, but don't thin it. Primer the joint edges. This has to survive until final coating.
We're sealing the pits, not hiding them. Coverage first, then we move on.
If it's worn or salt saturated, it's coming out. We rebuild the suspension like it is new.
Everything gets cleaned to bare truth. No salt left inside a bearing.
Torque it, then paint mark it. If it's critical, it gets proof. New chamber, new adjuster, now set it and verify it. Brakes don't get it close enough. Open it clean, document it, then bore scope. We don't want any debris going where it shouldn't.
Watch the hose. When it turns clear, we log it and move on. No contamination stays trapped.
Check the play, check the wheel, check the housing. If it's questionable, we don't gamble.
New bearings, new brushes, then test. If it won't pass, it's replaced. No arguments.
See that green?
Sure.
That's not cleanable.
Yeah.
That's replacement.
Yeah, required, sir.
Every branch gets heat shrink ID. If it's not labeled, it's not done. Housing's clean, seal's new. Now it's worth connecting to the new loom.
This is where it turns. Quiet floor, clean fit. Now the cab can be rebuilt the right way.
New loom. New loom. No more mystery shorts.
There it is, old teal under the oxide. We strip it right so the new finish actually lasts.
We straighten the panel, but we keep that tiny scar, proof it's the same W9.
Primer shows everything. If it's not straight now, teal will only make it louder.
Block it long. Straight beats shiny every time.
No patch over rust. New panel, new fasteners, straight line, then we seal it.
If it's wet, it's out. We don't trap moisture behind new panels.
Flush it, inspect it, and be honest. If it's compromised, it's replace.
Kill that light line. If light gets through, air and moisture will too. Tape lines clean, surface clean, booth clean, then we earn the gloss.
Husband, paint last. Prep is everything.
Watch the reflection. Keep it wet and even. That mirror line tells the truth.
Cure cycle is running. No entry until the timer is done.
Light shows the swirls, polish them out slow. We want depth, not burn through.
Left marker on, confirm. Right marker on, confirm. Now headlamps, one by one.
That teal, it's back.
Seat it gentle, then torque the clamps. No hand-tight guesses on a fresh build.
Bring it up slow, watch the gauge. If it drops, we hunt the joint and fix it now.
Hold the light on the clear line. When the bubbles are gone, we're ready.
Pressure's coming up. Hold it. Okay, stable. Hold idle. Okay.
Oh yeah?
Give me a light blip. Good. Response is clean. No weed spikes.
Stickers back. W9 TEAL-07. Same unit, rebuilt right.
Small turns, watch toe. When the wheel is straight and numbers settle, we lock it.
Cross pattern only. Click, move opposite, click. Then paint mark every nut.
Latch feels solid. Lights are bright and synced. Rear end's good.
Hook it up. Time to move.
Stop is straight, no pull. That's balance. Display is steady. No drops, no reset. Temp control is holding.
All markers are on, clean and even. That teal looks unreal under these lights. Make it shine on top and protect it underneath. We're not rebuilding this twice.
Escort is set. When you're ready, we roll out, slow and steady.
Let's take her home. Straight out, easy, keep it slow.
That's a straight trailer. Stripe looks perfect.
Straight as a string.
Temps are consistent corner to corner. No hot hub, looks healthy.
All green.
David.